There's our baby in the garage at Mancini. Mancini does great work. Get in there, getting the thing done. Getting our radiator fixed. Still waiting. And they do awesome work at Mancini on State Road 52. It's been a long day trying to get everything all done, cleaned up. And poor Tequila, she's so tired and she slept here. So we've been trying all the time trying to find a perfect place for her to sleep. So she tried the couch. She tried the front seat. She tried the driving seat. And this is where she ended up sleeping. So as the day goes, as we keep on cleaning, keep on looking for more videos as we get going. So thank you for watching and see what comes next. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.